Have you wondered why a particular plant will have so many healing properties? The reason is because plants contain chemical compounds called phytochemicals. These phytochemicals are responsible for the healing or the poisonous properties of each plant. The same way a plant can heal, a plant can kill because of these phytochemicals they contain. In today's video, we are going to look at the phytochemical components of clove and why you should make it to be part of your daily diet and how you can incorporate it in your daily diet. Clove contains phytochemicals such as eugenol. That's a major component of clove. About 70 to 80% of eugenol is found in clove. Clove contains eugenyl acetate, which gives the clove its aroma, besides other healing benefits. Clove contains beta-caryophyllene, which has anti-inflammatory properties, polyphenolic compounds, which are regarded as antioxidants. Example is garlic acid, quercetin, rutin. These and many others are the phytochemicals in clove that gives the healing properties we are going to look at today. Because of eugenol, clove is a potent natural antibiotic. So if you're a victim of bacterial infection that have persisted for a long time, consider clove tea 3 times daily until this infection is eradicated. Clove also is a potent antifungal agent. So if you're a victim of candida infection, especially ladies, consider making clove your morning routine after your morning water. It's going to help you to clean those candida from your system. Clove exhibits anti-neoplastic properties. This is useful in treatment of cancer. So if you're a victim of cancer or by family history or blood group, you're predisposed to cancer, consider making clove water as part of your daily diet. It's going to help prevent cancer or destroy some cancer cells. Caryophyllene in clove has been reported to exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, hence useful in relieving every form of inflammation, every form of pain in your system. If you're a victim of pain, headache and such likes, and you're always taking pain relieving tablets, clove tea can help to give you the analgesic properties which you seek. So consider making it as part of your daily tea. This spice is useful in managing cholesterol. This is useful for those that are predisposed to diabetes or hypertension, or those that are managing such already. Consider making clove tea as part of your daily diet. Clove contains some minerals like manganese and calcium and others which helps for bone health. This is useful in prevention and treatment of osteoporosis. So for your bone health, ladies, make clove tea as part of your daily diet. Clove also has been useful as natural antiseptic with mild local anesthetic. This is useful in treatment and prevention of gum disease and toothache. And if you're a victim of mouth odor, this will also help you. By using warm clove water for your oral mouthwash. And if you have hole already in your tooth, you can consider dropping clove oil inside that hole. This will help to kill that bacteria that induces toothache. Clove can also help in weight loss because clove water contains enough fiber, which when you take it in the morning, it's going to make you feel full. So throughout the whole day, you will not feel hungry. What happens is that your system will start utilizing the already stored fats for energy, which is called ketosis. This will help you to naturally lose weight. For those seeking for weight loss remedy, this is indeed a good news for you. Besides the aforementioned benefits, clove can also be useful for high metabolism. When you take clove water in the morning, it's going to increase your metabolism and give you so much energy and helps for brain functioning. How do I use clove and what quantity of clove is healthy? Don't forget that too much of everything is too bad. You can use clove as your tea, You can add it to your already existing tea like green tea. What you need is just 2 cloves into your tea, or infuse 2 cloves on its own as tea. You can also add clove powder, a tip of your teaspoon, inside your smoothie, inside your tea. You can also put that tip of teaspoon directly into your mouth and wash down with warm water. Clove can also be used as spice. Indian cuisine is not complete without this wonderful spice. So consider this in your dishes. Don't forget, if you don't make your food your medicine, you end up making your medicine your food. Remember, your health is in your hand.